We are moms and we are travel agents. This means we travel often and know what you need to bring when traveling and traveling with little ones. So here are the must-haves for every Disney park bag. Hello, and welcome to the Smart Moms Plan Disney YouTube channel, where we ask the question, why plan alone? The one item we all can't live without, especially if you want to get the best use of your time in the parks, is your phone. So what is the must-have phone accessory you need to take with you to the parks?
Fuel rods. They are awesome and they charge your phone really quick, and when you're in the parks, you can exchange them out for a fully charged rod. It's awesome. So it's a one-time payment and you can keep exchanging them out throughout the day if needed.
I have this. It's really nice. You just plug it into the phone directly. You don't need any cords, which is awesome. It's small and compact.
I have my loopy case actually right here, so I can loop my finger in and I won't drop it. And for the rides that allow you to bring a phone on, this works perfect. And I also love my earbuds. So yes, the park bag you carry does matter, depending on which park you're going to. So what type of park bag do you favor at the Disney parks?
Fanny pack. I am a fanny pack fan.
It depends. If it's just me going on a solo trip or an adult-only trip, I prefer my book bag or a lounge fly bag. If my toddler is coming along for the trip, I love my Petunia pickle bottom bag.
I use is this one that I found at TJ Maxx. It was like $29, and I just like it because it's cute and it's got pockets for your drink or whatever. I also have a lounge fly that I also like, but I feel like it doesn't hold enough for when I want to bring a sweatshirt and things with me.
Remember, when anyone in your crew is grumpy, it might mean they're hungry. Even if they just ate, they're probably hungry. Trust me. That is why having some park bag snacks is key. What's your go-to snack?
Little gummies. Not only do I love them, but my kids love them. And they're just little, little individual packs. And they're so easy. You can, basically pour them all out in your hand and then throw the pack away, and then you can walk and kind of eat them and not have to worry about, the trash anymore. So yeah.
For us, that's going to be the goldfish, the applesauce packets, gummies, fruit snacks, anything along those lines. I like to get those little Slim Jims. There are beef jerky, something small, but it's packing some protein. And
You do not want anything chocolate. And that includes snack bars with the chocolate on them or in them, especially in the Florida heat. Talking about must-haves, what are your top 3 things you always have in your park bag?
Park bag, I have to have a fuel rod so I can keep taking great pictures of all the memories that we're making. And I have to have a reusable straw.
So I'd say sunglasses, your phone, portable charger, lip balm, water bottle, rain jacket, poncho, Ziploc bags.
Drink, and I always bring a sweatshirt with me because I'm always cold.
So I got this on Amazon, and it's almost like a little packing cube, and I have everything in here. I go and I buy all the travel size, like medications, lotions, anything that you could possibly need. I have it in here, and I bring this in my park bag wherever I go, and it has always come in handy. Lastly, let's talk about the must-have everyone needs for Disney: good walking shoes. Many people estimate walking 8 to 10 miles each day at the parks, so having the right footwear is important. What are your favorite park shoes?
Parks, I have 2 that I rotate, are Brooks and Adidas Cloud.
I am actually against the grain, and I always wear sandals to the parks. Yep, you heard me, sandals.
I am a huge fan of Skechers and the memory foam. That's
Any Nikes that I find that are comfortable, Nike tennis shoes and Hey Dude shoes are really comfortable.
I have not found a pair yet that I absolutely love, so if you have any recommendations, please drop them in the comments to help a girl out. I have tried a lot of different types and I just can't find a pair that I love.
Please keep in mind, we're a team of travel agents that want to make your vacation needs seamless and magical. We are here to fine-tune the must-haves that are specific to your vacation style. So please message us below so we can contact you to get started on your next vacation, or click the link in the description. And yes, we plan all vacations, not just Disney. Remember, our help and expertise are free to you with all booked packages through us.
Be sure to click like and subscribe so you continue to have all the information you need to have your best vacation. Do you already have a travel agent from our sister company, Smart Moms Travel? Then you are in good hands. If you don't and you have any questions about this video and would like help planning your next vacation, click on the link in the description.